Welcome back to Houston Life. Chronic conditions like joint pain, nerve pain, and neuropathy can be life-altering, but did you know specialized regenerative care may really provide relief? To talk about the possibilities, we're joined by Dr. Joe Fuhrman and Dr. Abhishek Reddy of NexGenEsis Healthcare. Welcome to Houston Life to both of you.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, I'm really glad you're here because these can be really common symptoms that people are living with, but before we talk about that, what is osteoarthritis and what are the symptoms associated with it?
Yeah, so osteoarthritis is essentially the breakdown of the cartilage in joints. A lot of times people come in with knee pain. It's going to be that wear and tear, okay? A lot of age-related changes, but people have aching, sharp shooting type pains. They'll have trouble walking or standing, getting out of bed, cooking a full meal, just because of this pain that they're experiencing.
Yeah, these are things that people, that's everyday life, just standing up, trying to get in and out of bed. What is typically done for that joint pain?
So normally, patients will go to some form of physical therapy. They'll try medications, whether that be oral or topical medications. If those don't work, they're usually offered some type of injection, either a corticosteroid injection or like a viscosupplementation injection into the affected joint. If those don't work, then typically they are, sent out for surgery as their next best option. I'm sure there are people watching saying, yes, okay, I have tried this or I have tried this method.
How is NexGenEsis different?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is offer an alternative to those surgeries that Dr. Reddy was just saying. We are striving to put the body in the best position to heal itself. So we are using the patient's own biologics. We're using different treatments and modalities to spark the body's own natural healing process without the use of harmful steroids or cutting on the patient.
Okay, we actually have a patient who explains how NexGenEsis helped them with their neuropathy and their arthritis. Let's listen in.
I have neuropathy for 8 months, and I've had my arthritis and shoulder pain for years. I had gone to an orthopedic doctor, and they just, don't do too much. They put shots in your arm. Right now, I'm pain-free. My pain level was about 10 out of 10. I'm 0. I'm in no pain. I can do so much more. Neuropathy and my arthritis prevented me from doing many things I like to do and enjoy life, and just being pain-free has helped. I love NexGen. I've even been to physical therapy for my shoulder pain and my hand, and nothing has helped. But let me tell you, NexGen has really turned my life around, and I am just pain-free. I just am enjoying life now. So I love this place, and everybody is so caring here. They're the best.
That's got to make you guys feel good.
Absolutely, definitely.
Dr. Reddy, how do you feel when you hear a patient? I feel like anyone that finds relief with something that's been nagging them or bothering them, they are going to sing it from the mountaintops. How does it feel when you hear a patient explain that?
It always feels great when I can hear that patients are doing the things that they weren't able to do before. Really, it gives them, they kind of recapture some of their quality of life.
I'm relieved. She's relieved. You can tell. You guys also treat nerve pain. What do you commonly see? What are the symptoms when someone comes in with nerve pain?
So they're going to have numbness, tingling, burning in the hands or feet. Typically, people who are diabetic, maybe that went through chemotherapy, maybe have certain autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. These are just common causes of nerve damage, but they're going to have those symptoms, and that's also going to affect their quality of life.
And Dr. Reddy, what's the typical treatment for that?
So usually, at least, before coming to us, they're offered medication as kind of a Band-Aid, and we like to, like we said with the joints as well, we like to put the body in the best position to heal itself and kind of treat the underlying cause of their symptoms.
And NexGenEsis can help with these different varying treatments.
Absolutely, yeah. So like he was saying, using gabapentin, Lyrica, just covering the symptoms. When we do these examinations on the patients and develop a treatment plan for them, we're using different type of laser treatments, acoustic compression, supplements, lots of different things just depending on the patient to, again, allow those nerves to heal themselves.
Really customizing per patient with what's going on.
Exactly.
Yes.
And what do you guys, I asked these guys, I said, hey, do you take the day off when you come to Houston Life? They're like, no, you guys are going back to the clinic. What do you really think sets your clinic apart, Dr. Reddy?
I think it's just patient care. We really take time with every patient to really understand what's going on with them and, what's affecting them and how we can best help to treat them.
Dr. Joe Fuhrman and Dr. Abhishek Reddy, thank you so much. And if you've been dealing with joint pain or neuropathy, listen up. You can reach out for a free evaluation before Thanksgiving. And if you qualify as a candidate for their regenerative stem cell treatment, they'll stand behind your results. If you're not at least 50% better in 90 days, they'll give you another round of stem cells absolutely free. But hurry, because this is a special offer that ends Thanksgiving week and spots are limited. Give them a call at 832-570-4529 or visit them online at NexGenesisHealthcare.com. They have 3 clinics in Houston, Bellaire, Jersey Village, and The Woodlands. Call now and, like the doctor said, get back to doing what you love pain-free. Houston Life will be right back.